Hello guys.
As you can see,
I have parrots.
yep, squawking parrots.
And so they're standing on a wooden
Pole and they're fighting. I think they're fighting. Yeah. And
the green one's looking at the
camera. Okay, and the blue one's just looking at the
green bird. Yeah,
the parrots are really weird.
and they're hard to live with. But the thing is, I didn't even buy them.
Them.
That's right. And I'm having them for 3
More days, and I got them on Friday, so it
used to be 4 days, and now 3 days. And I didn't even buy them. Yeah. Maybe I think I said that before. I don't know. Whatever.
And so
I'll tell you how I didn't buy them.
So, how I didn't buy them was, so my friend gave them to me for 4 days. She gave them to me on Friday. It's because that she was leaving her house and we had to take care of them. But I wonder, why didn't they just give them to a different friend of hers? Because these parrots are pretty hard to live with. Yeah, that's right.
Now you might be wondering, hey, how are these innocent parrots so hard to live with? Well, as you can hear with your ears right
now, they squawk a lot. And
yeah. And so
I can hear them from my room, and sometimes I hear them from the basement.
But they're fun to look at when I live with them.
Cause the green bird sometimes just like jumps
onto the wall of the cage. Yeah. And so the blue one's name is Sonic, and the green. What? Well, oh my God! Wait, that's okay. The green one's eating right now. I never thought I'd get a thought of them.
Of that green one eating.
But, yeah, okay. Okay. I guess he's hungry. So the blue one's name's Sonic, and green one's name's Jet. And so, yeah. So, all they do is squawk and kiss. Yeah, they kiss. Yeah, they kiss. And they walk on the wooden pole, and they eat, and yeah. But they're pretty fun to watch. And hey, they just kissed. Would. Hey, they're in a relationship. So, let me give you a tour. This is a cage. Yeah, as you were seeing through this entire video. So this is a table. And this is a food. This is a messy place. And I've never seen what's in this. So let's check. So it's a remote control thing. And some other random things that I don't know. Clothes. So, I kind of like the green one better than the blue one.
So, anyway, like there's good things with living with a parrot and bad things. Good things, you get to watch them do such funny things. Bad thing is you have to hear them squawk and live in such terror. Yeah, not terror, like just like they're
just hard to live with. And oh wait, I see a bird. I mean a bug. Yeah, that's a bug. Why am I making a video about bugs? Oh, it left. So yeah. Sometimes they fight, sometimes they kiss, And the day I got them, which was yesterday, they
Literally spit.
one of them literally spit on my leg. I don't know which one, but they spit on my leg. Yeah. And so I swiped it off with my hands. And sometimes I see them poop. Yeah. Bird poop. Bird poop. But what are they doing? What are they doing? Oh yeah, I forgot to put the tour. That's their food. That's their water. And so yeah. So if you want to get parrots, just go to PetSmart. Alright?
Just go to PetSmart. Okay? Now bye-bye.